Hello everybody, welcome to MarineMax Copiague in Long Island, New York. Today I'll be taking us aboard a 2018 27-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. Probably one of the most popular Boston Whaler models. 27 feet overall, has a beam of 9 feet. On the back here, comes standard with twin 225 Mercuries. This particular one has twin 250, so a little bit of an upgrade. This has the black motors with stainless steel props. So let's see what we got. So in the back here we have 4 rod holders out of the way, so very convenient. Also, when you walk around, you could still walk around pretty well. They're not really in your way. Back here is your shore power cable, just a little access right here, and then that's access to your waist. Back around here, you do have a washdown sprayer, stainless steel cover. So this comes out, and this is a freshwater washdown. So if you're going to be swimming, or you just need the freshwater hose. So this closes out. This will lock up. So now, if you have kids on the boat, it's a little bit safer. Or if you're bringing up a fish, just open this up and it'll make it a lot easier. Down here is your dual battery switch, out of the way, but at the same time very convenient to get to. What happens on some of these whalers, what they do is they put the cleat down below here. So you run it down through this hole right here. Goes down here. It's a cleaner look, and also it's not in the way. It's flush over here. So if you're stepping off the boat or whatnot, you're not going to trip over it or anything like that. As you can see, you got a couple rod holders on each side here, as well as the back, as we pointed out. So here in the back is a big pull-out seat. You can see how big that is. It's not just a seat; it is very comfortable to sit in. That's a big decision. When you're choosing a boat, if it's comfortable or not. I can tell you that there's nothing more comfortable than this back seat here. It's very long, very comfortable on your knees and legs. But if you're just going to be fishing, this folds right in. And now just look at all this space you got in the back here to fish. Comfortably fit, 6 or 7 people back here to fish. Fluke fishing, bass fishing, or whatever you're going to fish for. Or you could pull that seat out and it becomes a nice seat if you're not going to be doing a lot of fishing. Self-bailing boat. Back here in the corner is access to water, and then that's more shore power outlets. So this comes out here. So get this here. This will come up, and then this is access to your bilge. You can see the quality on that. Gas struts, the gasket runs around, stainless steel, all fit and finished. And then down in here, you can see how organized everything is. You can see you got 3 batteries on this boat, 1, 2, 3. It's again fit and finished. And it's your bilge back there. They even did a non-skid right there, assuming you'd step down there if you ever need to get, if you ever do need to get down there. And it's all clean. You can access anything very easily. And this will just close down. And just turn these closed. Alright, making our way to the front here. This one has the, the summer kitchen option, I believe that's what it's called. So what it is it gives you a pull-out fridge. So, keep drinks, sandwiches, cold cuts cold. A little, area for your trash, which this boat has. It's just not in there at the moment. Little sink right here. A little bit of fresh water, and then this one has the optional. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Grill. There you go. So this will lift up and then turn away. So it gives you a nice electric grill. And then you can use this as more counter space. It's pretty sturdy where it is at the moment. It's not going to go anywhere. And then you just close this up. And it just drops right down. And there you go. And then this will come up. Just a little bit of storage in here. And then a couple cup holders. You do have a table mount right there, as well as in the bow, right below that seat. We'll get to that in a little bit. But what is very versatile about this boat is this seat here next to the captain's chair. This can be back-to-back seats as it is, back-to-back this way, so you're kind of a little more comfortable. You're sitting down here. You could fold this all the way flat, and then that becomes a big lounger, or you can even lift this one up, and now someone can lounge that way and the other way if they want to. So very, very versatile seat. And you can just see the quality of the stainless steel on it. You know, Boston Whaler does not cheap out on anything. This locks in. And then this comes up, and this is your live well, actually. So kind of hidden away, which, you know, really makes this boat very versatile. As you could do a bunch of fishing stuff you can on the outrage, but at the same time, you can lounge out like you would on a traditional bow rider. So making our way up here, we have the captain's chair, which will swivel all the way around. The armrest will come up and down. Bolster will go up and down. Digital throttle on this one. It's very easy to shift these. This one comes equipped with the biggest Raymarine you can get. I believe it's a 12-inch screen. This is standard from the factory as well. So nice touch screen, and you can also use the knob on the right-hand side. Gauges, that's your VHF radio. You also have your Fusion stereo system. So it's like your AM, FM radio, Bluetooth. Then you have all your stainless steel switches here. You know, with LED lights in the middle to know when they're on. And that's your trim tabs. Good visibility on this boat. Also has the windshield wiper, which, you know, you rarely use. And then you have a nice stainless steel chrome or stainless steel windshield cover. And then in this compartment here is going to be your bathroom. So you have a nice countertop down there, storage, sink, and a sprayer. So that this will actually come out if someone needs to rinse themselves off fully. And then you know, that's your toilet, and you have plenty of headroom in here actually. You know, these are not ideal, you know, on these bow riders, they're not really ideal conditions to be down in here, but Boston Whaler makes it as comfortable as possible. You know, the boat does have, you know, a hard top on it. You can get it with a bimini top, but this is normally how everyone orders this boat. You know, it's very, very sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere, and it's, you know, it's very, very nice to have for shade, and it's not going to rattle or anything like that. Coming up to the bow, though, you do have a you know, windshield that'll close off. So this will close off here, and then this will close off here. And down below in here, you do have storage, which is also accessible on the other side. So you take that cushion off, and then this will fold up, and then you can access that storage underneath the console. And then up here you do have nice lounge seating. So I'll just take a seat, full seating here. You can also get a filler cushion that'll fill in right here, and that's where a table could go. So you're very comfortable. I mean, I'm about 6 feet, and I'm very comfortable. Fit here fine. Nice grab handles right here on the side. This one you could get a couple different options. You do still have the bow sprayer, but this one does have the windlass anchor. Very popular option, so you don't have to mess with it yourself. This compartment will come up and also be storage as well. Well, that's about it. Thank you, and I